Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome again to U1. I appreciate that you guys were using Moodle for the foundation, but as you know, you've been told by Dr. Neck about Aston Blackboard that it will be your provide you access to all tutorials, lectures, reading lists, submission of assignment later on, probably the exam. So I thought maybe due to current situation, maybe this recording will help you to access Aston Blackboard and how to navigate it. So first of all, if you go to the website vle.aston.ac.uk, you sign in using your Aston details, username and password. Let's see, my internet is not that good. I appreciate that. So once you log in, you will go to the main dashboard. You should go to courses, or you will see that recent, but in case you haven't opened it before, you go to courses. And you'll see all courses assigned to this year. You look for the course. I'm currently looking for Introduction to Supply Chain Management that you will have first lecture on Sunday. So this is it, LT1 SCMMU. You should see something like that on your dashboard as well. So first of all, title here. You'll see our announcement here. However, whenever you open this, you'll see our announcement. I'll put instruction, notification to next tutorial. Everything will be on the announcement. Then module specification, if you want to have a look, to expect what you want to see. This one could be your tutor, myself, how to approach me. And then you have the reading list. Once you open this, you'll see what are the recommended textbook and whether they are available on the Aston Library online or in Muscat University library. I specified this. However, you need to understand that some courses, some modules, they may have a bit different of this, but at the end of the day is the same. But main point today is to show you how to navigate. Then you'll have lectures and tutorials. In other modules, they may call them learning resources or something like that. So if you press on lectures and tutorials, here you go, here two folder, lectures and tutorial. Lecture 1, you download this. Make sure that you listen to the lecture, because attendance will be taken. We can track your attendance. However, if you didn't listen to the lecture, will be put as absent for that day. So this is the lecture 1. You download and listen to that. If we go back to show you how to access tutorials, this is tutorials. You'll see tutorial 1, introduction related to lecture 1. You download those two. You follow my instruction here, or probably I've guided you. Some other lectures, they might guide you towards the end of the lecture. So at the last slide, probably they will guide you, or they will guide you right here. Or once you download this one, or PPT file, whatever the format is, you'll see instruction. So it depends. The main point again, how to access these stuff. Okay, so that more or less, don't worry about the list. You'll get to know about them later on when we get there. So those are mainly how to navigate a Blackboard. In case you need to go find a book from the reading list, you copy and paste the name. This is the simplest way actually. You go to LibGuides. This is Aston Online Library. So if you go to this website, smart search right here, you search for a book, for a title, author name, full name of the book. You put whatever you would like to see. You will get a list, something like that. Okay, as you can see, for instance, I want to see, this is book, show you here book, which means it's not available online. So you can't access, of course, Aston University. If you go down to this filter, you select ebook. those online that you can access them online. You can see here now it's ebook. So press here, click here to view. This will guide you to another page where you can access the book online. All right, as you can see, it asked me for another login. This for the library. The other one was for the Blackboard. All right, but still Aston details because we are still in Aston library. Okay, so once you open that book ebook, you will guide you to a page here. This page could be different because it brings the book from different resources. So you can view the book, you can read it. If the lecturer will guide you to a particular chapter, you can go to that one. So that's more or less about, briefly actually, how to access your materials. And get ready, make sure you read your lecture prior to the few days, 2 days or so prior to the lecture. You download it, you go through it, otherwise you'll be absent. Again, follow the instruction about the tutorial, come ready to the tutorial. I wish you all the best and look forward to meet you on Monday for the tutorials. Have fun.